like so close up. Let me like picture a little back. Okay, so I went to a few places today. I did like this is like a mini haul. I didn't get so much things. I went to the mall. I went to Marshall's, Burlington, and then I went to like a beauty supply store. Guys, check your local Toys R Us. Since it's going out of business, I went and they got the whole sign up going out of business, and it's only I believe 10 to 20% off. But every week, someone asked when it was gonna go out of business completely, like shut down the store, and they said a few months. So that means in order for them to do, they gotta get rid of all the inventory and they gotta get rid of everything in the store. So, every week it's gonna go down the percent. So now it's 10 to 20% off. We got some stuff for Isabel, something for my nephew because his birthday's coming up next month. So I had to stop by my store. So I went to Burlington first, and I got this little brush right here. This is a fan brush, but I love it. Look at all the glitter. Oh, I love it. This is like a highlighting fan brush, but I want to use this because I see so many people doing like a nice contour with it. Of course it has to be a powder contour, and it gives them like a nice sharpness. So this retail regular price $7.99, but it was on sale for $5.99. So let's open this up without letting all this glitter fall out. And this is the brand Babe. They have a lot of Babe makeup, and Paris Hilton too. Oh, I see. I'm gonna make a huge mess. Probably not. Oh no, this is so cute. Oh, this thing. Oh, I saw one little hair came out. This is like, you get it right here. Because you see, you can get the little fan brushes, but it's not going to do nothing. You need something big like this. Of course, you can do your highlight. It feels a little stiff. To do your highlight, it's alright. But to get right here, and even right here, this would be good. So I think I'm going to use it for both. You can do that. This is really nice. Not that much hair is coming out. It was just one little hair sticking up. But I love the handle. This is beautiful. I'm so excited to put this to use. Guys, I need like new brush sets, like ASAP. It's just like the ones that I got were from Wild Elf, and they're just so old, that the handle part, everything's peeling and chipping out. So I went to Wet n Wild, look at that. I went to Marshall's, and I found this Dream eyeshadow palette. This is a unicorn. This is so cute. And this actually cost $8, but it was on sale for $5.99. Oh my gosh, guys, I saw some Too Faced, the whipped lipsticks. They were $5.99. I was gonna grab one, but I'm like, Erica, do you really need any more lips items? I just have so many that I don't use, and sometimes I can go like a full face and I'll just put a lip gloss, guys. I just so simple when it comes to lips. I don't know why. So this is it. It's cute. It comes with a mirror, and then look at these colors. I want to do some swatches. This is like very summery colors, like unicorn colors, because now the unicorn is the thing. Jeez, open up. Come on. Like this tape that they put on. Driving me crazy. But they had a lot of good stuff this time at Marshall's. Usually I don't buy anything there because it's always the same stuff, but this time they had different stuff. Oh, this is gonna break off. Okay, so let's watch. I'm gonna go like three rolls, you know, three rolls, 3 shadows at a time. Ooh, look at that. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. I really like this blue right here. That's really, really nice. I'm trying to pick up a lot of product, but the pans are really small. Like, really small. Okay. 3 more. And not that much fallout. Like, you can really tell if it's a lot of fallout. You know, you swatch with your hand. That is nice. Really nice. These 2 colors together, perfect. I like it so far. Okay, let's do 3 more. I mean, this looks like it will be very like buildable. You know, there's some palettes, you know, that I have, and it's like boom in your face type. But this one seems alright. You know, it's not gonna be crazy. But like, I want everything of the unicorn, like collection of the Wet n Wild, you know, everything. Now everyone's doing unicorn, and I want it because the colors. Look at this, guys. Look at those colors. I'm gonna just swatch them. The rest here, it'll make it go quicker. I don't want this video to be like a 30-minute video. Oh my god, these swatches are amazing. Like these 2 here and this blue. I mean, the camera's not picking up great, you know, but this is really, I can't wait to like play with this. The colors are amazing. Look at that blue and this one and this pink. Oh, just can't wait for the summertime and just go out. Because guys, lately I haven't been doing my makeup at all. It's been like a few weeks I haven't done my makeup. I think once out of those few weeks I did. And if I want to do a video, I'll do the video and then I'll just remove my makeup. I don't keep my makeup on just to do a video because I like to do videos. So, you know, I haven't been doing any makeup, you know, like on myself. When I go out, I'm just barefaced like this. Now I have some new makeup, so you know what that means. Okay, so this is another one. This is a unicorn highlight palette, and this is. When I saw this, I saw the unicorn, and I was like, OMG. So the price, the retail price is $5, but it was for $3.99. So yeah. Can't really tell. Let me take this off. They had another one, but for some reason the colors were darker. It probably wasn't for my skin tone. I tend to like light colors. Look at this. Ooh. Now let me swatch them. Nice. You know I love my highlights. This looks nice. It's really like different compared to what I'm always used to, you know. I know for a fact I'm gonna like this one a lot, but I'm trying to like stay out the light. If you can see this, it's really nice. It's so far with the swatches. You know what? I'm gonna put some to the test. I'm going to do some of the purple and no fallout. I mean, it's not gonna. Oh, I can see it. Whoa. Guys, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm trying to. I can see that's purple. So, like, try not to go crazy. Now I'm gonna go to the other side and I'm gonna do some of this pink. This is really cute as a blush. Of course you can't tell because for some reason this light is like so bright all in your face, but I can tell definitely with this purple. Like, you see? You can see it right there. That is nuts. The pink is alright, but it's really hard to even, put some of the products on if you don't have like foundation, nothing on, because, that's the real test right there. Let me wipe some of this off. So this is cute. I really like, I knew I was going to like the purple. And this is, guys, if you don't like a palette, whether it's a bronzer palette, like I always repeat myself over and over because people's like, oh, highlight, bronzer, it's not good for, for my face or anything. You can use this for your eyes as well. Like, I would definitely use this pink. Like, this is a bubblegum pink. This is really, and this is pure white, and plus it's going to give you a glow. So this is amazing. I like this. Okay, so that was that. And then I went to the beauty store. And guys, my little sponges that I got from the Dollar Tree, I had them for so long that the last time I washed them, it just started cracking on me. And I guess water went in. I squeeze them so good. But I understand it's very hard now, the sponges, and it's just cracking. So I don't use sponges like that like all the time. I'm always using my brush. I got this. They were $2.99. These are like little sponges. It comes with a regular one back here, and then a lot of these round ones, and pretty much different shapes, and which are cool because you can just flatten them even more, or you can just fold them in half and get like really good in here. You can do a lot with this, so that's why I got that. And then I got, guys, I like my chubby stick eyeshadow, and I mainly like those. I have one that is white, but I mainly like them because for my like a eyeliner. So I got these. I got 4. They were $1.99 each. They're amazing. See, this is the brand right here, and this is how they look like. So I'm gonna swatch these. And then this one, what shade are you? Oh, snap. This is a lilac. This is more of a like a purplish color. Can you see that? That is amazing. And then I got another one. What are you? They're like hard to open, man. Okay. This one is more like a black color, but it's like a bluish black. So this is how it looks like. Whoa, that is I want to get rid of like my eyeliners because I have so many sticks eyeliners. I gotta do a declutter. There's not much stuff I want to declutter, of course, so I might hold on to that video because I'm not gonna declare like 5 things. Like no one wants to see that. But there's a lot of things I do want to get rid of. Okay, so this one right here is like a bluish greenish color. These colors are amazing. They had so many more, but now I have 5. I have the white one included, and this one right here is the pink one. This is this is like more of like a peachy pink. This is hot. Whoa! I don't know if you can see that. Amazing. I really like the colors. Like these two together, great combo, very great combo. But I want to use this for, like eyeliners. I can put some in the center of my lids, if I wanted to. But this is mainly for eyeliners because I really like the chubby sticks. Because it's so creamy that just one swipe is all you need. You don't need to keep on with like a pencil or even the other ones like the cream ones that you gotta keep on. It also depends on the brand you get, of course. But this is really, really good. Yeah. So you got 18 months to use this and then it goes bad. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I got right now. It's a little tiny haul. They're not so crazy. I didn't want to go crazy, but I just want to add a few things. I really wanted the unicorn eyeshadows because some of those colors I don't have. I always have more of the neutral, deep colors. I don't have like colors like that. They're so light. And I'm so happy with the highlights. I love my highlight. You know that. But yeah, guys, this was a success. I really like everything I got. I'm so happy I found my fan brush for a very good price. Can't wait to put everything to use. I can't wait. So stay tuned for a video on that. It's probably tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to do my makeup and I'm going to use everything I have and I'm going to record for you guys. I have to start getting better. I remember I made a video saying that I'm going to record every single day. And then I actually did at one point, like kept on consistent every single day. And then I just went right back down. Now I'm getting more subscribers, guys. Thank you to the new people who joined the family. Thank you. It means a lot to me. I'm not doing this for anything money-wise. No. I'm just doing this for the fun of it. I know a lot of people do videos and all this for in the future. Hopefully, they can make money off of it. No, I don't even do any of that. I don't have my personal information or nothing that they could send me money. I don't. I just do it for the fun of it, to read your guys' comment and for me to write back, and that's all I want. It's just a comment and I can just reply, and for people to enjoy my videos. That's what, it's a learning process for everyone. People can learn some stuff from me. And if I'm doing something wrong, guys, please, you need to tell me. I don't care what it can be. You can tell me, you can talk, we're friends, we're family, So yeah, guys, so this is pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like the video, and also you can share. You can share my video anywhere you choose and please to, and also leave a comment down below if you have any of these products that I have here, or let me know, because you need to tell me how are these products. Oh guys, these are waterproof. Oh, okay. These are waterproof, so you know what that means. It's gonna scrub to come off. It's okay, guys. So I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna be with hubby. You'll probably listen to music. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm bored. They're in the room doing nothing. Okay, guys, take care. Bye.